Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today we'd like to talk a little bit about Polkadot, the updates local one for USDT trading pair with my customer set. Let's dive in. First of all, guys, the people so upset with my video about post about the Glimmer and the Moonriver will be delisted from the OKX. They say, oh, you spread a FUD. Guys, this is a fact. It's not a FUD. They will delist. They already announced the date, exact date, when these two tokens will be delisted from the OKX. It doesn't mean this token is going to zero or going to, I don't know, 5 billion market capitalization. Nobody knows the future, guys. But this is just a fact what we can work with now. And we can't know. Maybe the other exchanges will follow the OKX decision and delist it. Because just to be honest, guys, all of this tokens and the Polkadot ecosystem will not deliver nothing basically this cycle. Yes, some guys wrote in a comment below, take a look, the project White to invest 6 million tokenized equity on Polkadot blockchain. Guys, 6 million Park White. Just in case the volume in 24-hour Polkadot on only one HTX 25 million. Volume 25 million. So 6 million basically is nothing. Yes, of course, they say it's about mass adoption. Guys, all of this mass adoptions has nothing to do with the price on the charts. You can go, like example, open the chart of IOTA, take a look the blog posts, take a look the news about IOTA, and track what's happened after that major adoption. So the real adoption. So European Union chose the IOTA like for potential digital euro. A lot of partnership on the government level, on the country level, IOTA, with Europe, and nothing, guys. So what's the point? So European Blockchain Sandbox select IOTA's innovative Web3 ID. You can just go to IOTA blog and double check all of that news. So this is basically nothing. With adoption, without adoption, guys, you have to open your eyes. Just because of market makers, just because of speculators, just because of centralized exchanges and the whales and insiders, if they decide to push the price to the next liquidity pool, the token will go. Without your fancy mass adoptions, guys. It has nothing to do with that stuff. It's just a part of the marketing game. I'm not a hater of the Polkadot, guys. I'm in Polkadot. I'm investing in it, but it's so disappointing when this .army start argue and defend their favorite token just because they need to out of the break even, because they stuck in this token since 2021. So that's why they argue all the time in the comments. So guys, the most positive case scenario for the Polkadot is $29, $35, $34 with all of this announcement or without. And yes, it's a fact, the Polkadot ecosystem not perform this cycle, guys. So I already showed you on others chart, others Ethereum today. So while all altcoins perform since June 2024 to this one, to February 2025, the Polkadot slowly dying, and we pump it only like $3.61 to $11.53, because you can open the chart of Ethereum and take a look how it's playing out. So the people just use the DOT, this waste a lot of money on the marketing, right? But the whales, maybe the team, we can't know. Maybe some insiders use the DOT, distribute their bags to accumulate more Ethereum and other alts. That's why this time the injective performance and Polkadot dying. But this is just the facts about the listing. We can't know how this token will perform after that delisting. Maybe the other exchanges also delisted. We can't know, but it's not a rumors. It's not a thought. It's just a fact, and you have to just absorb it, right? So local one zones, guys, for the Polkadot still relevant. I wish to see this September 341 and the test of 27 level 296. I'm not sure. Maybe we'll not see these levels. Buy line now for Polkadot is $2.56 on a daily, 12-hour time frame. it's $2.62. If we will drop 28%, guys, definitely, anyway, it didn't change nothing with the main targets for the dot. I'm waiting the sweep of this high. It's about 12. Next step, sweep of this high liquidity, 0.23 level fee, 23.73 and 29.34. That's it. After that, when we'll be on some levels, we need to pay attention more about the timing. So that's it, guys. Pretty simple. There's no magic for Polkadot. And don't need to, complain in a comment section, oh, you don't understand the technology, the Polkadot is a gem. If it's a gem, why it's performed like this one? The gem's talking, the super technology not performed like this one, guys. This is just a pure speculative token. Maybe it's a good one, a speculative token. That's why now, guys, it's a good entry for a Polkadot, like for potential 8x. That's why I'm in Polkadot. Pretty simple. But I'm trade these assets. I'm not fall in love. I don't care about their technology. I'm here for the money. That's why, guys, pay attention for the Ethereum, Ethereum chart, BTC dominance, and timing. Timing for price delivery. The news, Polkadot, the live stream, face reveal blockchain, nothing. All right. So the main accumulation in the monthly been here in September. Yes, we pump it. Now we're just in the middle. We can pump or dump in both directions. So I hope the last point will be $2.96 again, just drop to 27 level again. Now we at the bottom. It's bullish, guys. Listen please carefully. It's bullish. It's bullish for Polkadot. But we still just need to waste some time in that consolidation. So a local one, guys. Take profit line now. It's let's delete this one. Take profit line from now. It's 103%, 766. If we will see that recovery on a Polkadot, yes, we can start forming the double bottom. And anyway, with double bottom or without double bottom, the price will be delivered over than here, this liquidity pool's actual highs. $12, $14. It's good news. It's a good news, guys. Now, this is accumulation from the big guys. But we now just chop consolidation. And unfortunately, the OKX decide to delete that two tokens not randomly. Not randomly. I hope, of course, the Polkadot will pump to the main targets. So the Glimmer, Asta Network, the Clover, the Moon River also will follow. But I don't have a guarantee for that. Polkadot, I guess, will. But anyway, don't be trapped with that marketing. So locally, guys, take profit is 5.9, and the buy line I showed you. Locally for entry, I wish to see the dot on the $3.40. This pool where we leave it in August, beginning of August. This one. So direction, no accumulation yet. Markets mode. Let's close the take profit. Market middle. This is a hope. This is a hopium now for the Polkadot on the daily. A weekly time frame. This is disbelief. That's why one more reason why it's good. Why it's good to buy now, accumulate, starting now. So for example, 378. After that, if we drop 270, you buying again. So your average will be a little bit over than $3. $6 you withdraw initial deposit at this daily weekly gap, and right with the free tokens to potential $30. Pretty simple strategy. But if you stuck in this token since $15, $16, just guys, don't waste your time in the stable coins on this token, because the tokens have no bottom. After 150%, we can see another one. So you would just waste your stable coins instead of buying some fresh new alt with a fresh new low. So market mode is a pretty good one. Even the monthly time frame, Polkadot is so underrated now. Monthly time frame, we're in capitulation zone. It's good. It's bullish. 12-hour time frame. 12-hour time frame, it's a disbelief. Also good one. So a lot of positive, guys, moments for Polkadot. But be realistic one. So money power, still no money inflow yet in the 12-hour time frame. It's gonna bat. Daily, also no money inflow. The last one was here in the beginning of August at 340 and 342. That's why I wish to see one more leg down, sweep this liquidity pool, and maybe even form a double bottom would be perfect one, would be perfect. The trend line in theory just looks like this one. But I wish to see this one and maybe the rebound from $2.97. If not, I will be happy to ride from now, but I'm okay with the dot. I'm enough. So this is a low, but without any money inflow. Weekly also, the last money inflow being here in August, some 24. Imagine only the one and only in the last one, August 24 at $4.22. Now we a little bit over the middle line or around middle line. 2 MACD and bullish divergency. So yes, sooner or later, guys, just in case this move or just from now, for example, two options. I don't think so. We're going to drop to 250 or so. No, I think it's enough. Because we don't have that much time. That's why, guys, luckily, I showed you the targets. Also, I recommend, of course, it's up to you. I just recommend you not to fall in love in that market what the project's trying to sell you. This is their job. They need to treat the people with some adoptions, with some innovations. But keep in mind, we are on financial market, firstly, and we trade just in assets. And behind the centralized exchanges stay the market makers and the whales who control that market. And they are here also not for the tech. If they need to invest in the tech, they could buy the NVIDIA and get a great returns. So that's the point, guys. So maybe in the future, maybe in the 10 years and 5 years, maybe with tokenization, with real world asset sector, maybe the DOT will be part of that, of this. And yes, maybe the capitalization will be bigger one. And maybe they will find some real utility for the DOT token. But it's a big difference, the technology and the price on the chart. So guys, I hope you like this video. Write please in the comment what you think about Polkadot. If you'd like to trade as my customer, or showed on this video, just write me DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.